Hello everyone. So I hope you all are doing well. And if you haven't seen how to, get access to this spreadsheet, go ahead, click on the link below first and get access to the spreadsheet. Follow the directions on how to copy it to your own, Google Sheets, and then after that come back to this video and start watching in order to know how to use it. Now the complete credit to this, I mean the complete idea, the concept of this goes to Dr. Milind Shinde Sir. He has explained it so beautifully in his videos, the link to which I'll put it in the description. So let's get to the how to use the GT analysis spreadsheet, how to use this. So this is something that I've made in order to compare and contrast and keep to your target accuracy, so that you can set a target for each GT, what percentage you should be in, and compare accordingly. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing is, this column B has all the target accuracy as told by Sir in his video. The next thing is how you're going to use this. So first, for every total number of questions you have for a subject, and then you have number of corrects. Okay. So here, this is basically a percentage has been calculated. So you automatically enter, like suppose here you have OBGYN. Okay. So you have obs and gynae. So 12 questions were there. Suppose I'm just keeping random numbers, and then 6 corrects you got. So yeah, it will give you 60%. Say here in surgery there were 13 questions, and you got 11 correct. So 84.6. It will round off to the nearest one. Next is, say you had 14 questions in PS7 and you got 9 correct. Okay. Next you have suppose medicine. Okay, so medicine, and you got 12 correct in medicine. Okay, so this is how it calculates. Now what you do is, this you have to do for each GT, because make sure to delete all this, okay, after each GT. So how do you keep the records fixed? So suppose these are the values that I got for GT1. Okay, so you go to this this column, select the entire column, just the numbers, the percentage numbers. Okay, and then copy it. After copying it, you go to the GT1 column and just go to the edit section, go to paste special, and go to values only. So you got a values only column where you don't have the formulas exactly. Okay, so you have the record of GT1 here. In this similar way, you have to put the record of GT2 here itself. But before GT2, you make sure that you delete all the values of corrects and the total number of subject questions. Okay, so delete this. Don't delete anything from the percentage column. I mean, keep the percentage column completely untouched. Otherwise, everything will go haywire in your table. Just delete everything from the subject questions and the number of corrects, and then you can use this again to calculate your percentages in the next GT. Again, follow the same format of going into edit, copying the entire numbers, all the number column, and then again pasting it in the GT2 column, and make sure to use the paste special values only. Okay, so I hope you found this useful, and if you are interested in getting the spreadsheet, it's obviously completely for free. You just have to go ahead, click the link below, and get it. I mean, just go ahead and use it to streamline your preparation and everything. So I made this for myself, and I'm sharing it all with all of you all, and I hope it's of a lot of use. And just go and thank Dr. Milind Shinde Sir for actually coming up with this great idea, because I think since we are giving GTs in multiple platforms, it will actually keep us grounded to, and make sure that we know our accuracy, because people keep telling the people keep talking about the number of corrects, but then they don't have this like which subject how much you should target and things like that, because every subject is different, right? So yeah, I think this will help reduce our negatives as well. And just go ahead and do it. Bye.